Hey everybody, we're super excited. It's here, it's here, it's here. The new Mavic Mini. This is the Fly More combo. I'm just gonna open the box and show you what's inside. So let's get to it. I ripped the plastic off already. So there's a little slit there where you cut the tape. Right here is the main case for it. And I'm gonna open it up a bit here. And there it is. This is what we've been waiting for, that everybody's been waiting for. I'm going to pull that off the gimbal just so I can show the camera. It comes folded up. I'm going to unfold it there, and right here. And there she be. It's packed with all the features like its big predecessor, but it's tiny and it weighs nothing. 249 grams. I'm going to pull the back off here. It opens right there, and that's where the battery goes. You can charge through USB port, but with the Fly More combo, they give you a charging hub, and you can charge 3 batteries at a time. This is the controller, and the new system on this is not Wi-Fi. Your phone plugs directly in the side. I'll open it up just like any of the DJI controllers. And you see here, just like the Air, they stored the gimbals inside the controller so that you don't lose them. And it makes it much more compact. And the dual antennas. I'm gonna open this box here. The cords for your phone, the charge cord. They also give you, and I know you can't see that, but it's an extra set of gimbals there in case you lose the gimbals. All the phone cords, the charge cords. And here's an instruction booklet. And it comes with an extra set of props. Actually 3 sets there. I'm gonna go a little deeper here and grab the big box. And I know what's in here. It's the prop guards. I'm going to open it so we can kind of see it. They clip right on just like the old Spark does. This box here is your power adapter, and you can see it gives you a little illustration on the front, which is essentially the same as the Spark, which is going to plug in. They give you the USB cord, and then the USB cord plugs right here in the side. Now I'm charging 3 at a time. This is a propeller screwdriver. They screw on with Phillips heads on the propellers. Right here, the power adapter, the batteries, and nice little batteries there. There's 3 batteries here. The way I make a mess unboxing. Let me show you the battery real quick. And there it is. And it slides right into the back of the drone. And if you see, there's some little connectors there. The connector's right on the top. And it just slides in like that. Close the lid. That's the whole package. It's a great deal. The drone is positively gorgeous. As always, you can feel the substance in this. The weight is there. It's really, really a beautiful drone. We'll follow up with some flight footage, but as of now, this is everything that comes inside the Fly More combo. Nice little case there. Holds everything with it. You can get all your accessories in there, your charging hub, all your cords, all of the extra batteries, things like that. You could store this right here with the batteries in it. So that's a very nice small little package to take with you, with everything in it, all your charger, all your cords that you need, all the batteries, controller, and it hooks right up to your phone, or an iPad mini fits inside here. Get on by here, take a look at this thing. We have one out so you can kind of take a look at it and hold it and play with it yourself. And as I said, we'll follow up with a flight video. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you soon.